Today we will see how to grow taro or colocasia in pots and containers at home with results. So stay tuned. You can start growing colocasia or taro in the month of February to March, which is spring, or June-July, which is monsoon, or when the temperature is between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. And it can be very easily grown in pots and containers, in balconies, even if your balcony doesn't get more than 4 hours of sunlight. So here I am choosing this rectangle shape 10-inch pot, and for potting mix I have mixed 50% garden soil, 25% compost and 25% coco peat with some neem cake powder. I have a detailed video on how to prepare a perfect potting mix for vegetables. And for root vegetables, the potting mix has to be very loose, porous and well drained so that the roots can spread nicely. So here I am choosing the store bought colocasia and I am simply putting into the soil, maintaining some distance. Now all they need is at least 4 hours of sunlight and regular watering. Make sure the soil is moist always. And within 2 weeks it will start growing. You will see shoots growing up. Colocasia or taro is grown for its fresh leaves and for its roots. Last year also I grew it in same pots. 2 pots I grew and I shared a harvesting video as well, and we got a rewarding harvest. So they get ready to harvest within 180 to 200 days, which is around 6 to 7 months after planting. So start your colocasia or taro in the month of June, or when it starts raining, or when the temperature is below 30 degrees, and I will share the harvesting video. You guys can enjoy harvesting video, and do let me know if you have any queries. That's all for today guys. See you.